All right, so just a quick little video of this cool little tool. It's a ProStat. It's a static gun. So let's hook it up to the air and then get close on the bumper or door, fender, whatever you want. Wave it across it. I like to go across, come back up, do a little cross pattern on it, go across. Now what it's doing is it's taking the static electricity off of the bumper or whatever panel you're using it on. That way dirt is not attracted to it anymore. Works really good on raw plastic bumpers. I love to use it on raw plastic bumpers. I use it on all jobs. I use it on doors, hoods, fenders, whatever it may be. But I feel that raw plastic bumpers is definitely where it shines most. As you know, before you seal it, paint it, base it, whatever, raw plastic is always going to attract dirt, hair, lint, whatever it is. So I go over it real good with this before I even seal it. And then you can go over it between each coat. If you're using other paints that take multiple coats of base coat, you can do this between each coat and it'll help you out, especially after you tack. What I did with this one was I had to pull these bumpers out after I based it because I based this car and now I'm pulling them back in. I'm going to clear it all together. So it got a little dust on it, got a little dirt on it while I was outside of the booth. I went ahead and tacked it off, blew it off when I first got it in here. Now that I got it tacked off, I'm going over it with this ProStat gun. Get rid of the static electricity, then I'll be ready to clear. Hopefully it'll have very minimal dirt in it.